here in the shower, if you notice, so I have extended the arm, this portion, and then made it fixed. So it's now you can use it as a handle, but it's quite heavy if you use it as a handle, but we just wanted it as an overhead shower. So this is available in the market, this extension. Why this extension? Otherwise it is too close to the tap. So if you put this extension, it comes nicely in place for the shower. This costs around 80 rupees, this extension, stainless steel. And
We want it.
yeah, so it's very handy, especially, yeah, I think for children it might be useful if you just have it like this. And previously this fit over here,
Yes.
so I just put this extension in here. And if you notice, so there's a screw here. So sometimes this becomes very loose and can't hold the shower. Once you extend it, the leverage of it makes it drop down. So all you have to do is take the same type of screwdriver and tighten the screw as much as possible. So then it gets sort of fixed. And it holds the weight of the shower. Otherwise, normally it's much looser.
Okay. So which shop in Pond did
You can get the sieve, which in the last video I showed. Also this arm extension. You can get a lot of spares there which can be used in this. But when you purchase this, you have to be careful of the, sometimes the threading might not go in, sit in properly, because these are all very local sort of made. You have to take care that, so take the shower with you, this shower head with you, or this pipe with you to Pondi, and you have to check. For me, it took about 2 or 3 tries to actually get a threading that fit properly into
Okay.
this. So you have to take care of that.
Okay.